In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix credit card decline on Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are getting any issues related to a transaction not being complete or errors related to your credit card, in this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to fix this. First, I want to make it very clear that there could be many different applications and reasons on why your card is being rejected. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on the Google Play Store. However, because Android is very broad, let's say, for example, you are trying to use the Samsung Wallet on an Android device, then your problem is going to be attributed to the Samsung Wallet. Sadly, for this video, I can't cover every single application and service, so this is why I'm focusing on Google Play. I assume most people looking for problems on Android will be talking about the Google Play Store specifically. So, if you get an error similar to this, the very first thing that I would recommend is to try a different payment method. If you have a spare card, then go into your profile, access the payment methods, and in here you will be able to choose the option to add a new credit or debit card. So add your new credit or debit card and see if it works. If it does work, then the problem was indeed attributed to the original card, and sadly, you won't be able to resolve this issue. You simply have to use the new card and then talk to your bank or card issuer to see if they are able to fix the issue on their end. See if the card is not blocked from making online transactions, or talk to one of their representatives, and then use the new card for the time being. Now, if you don't have a new card, or even the new card fails, then this could be a problem elsewhere, but I would highly recommend trying this first. You can also do the exact same thing if you are using the Google Wallet. So in here, you will find the options to tap the plus sign to add a new card to your wallet, and then once you choose this option, you can enter all of the details. The exact same thing can be done on the Google Wallet or Google Play website. Sometimes you might see an error similar to this one. Your card's issuer declined this request. Usually, this is because your bank might suspect fraud, so it's important to call them and clear any misunderstandings up. This way, your card will be accepted into any service on Google or your Android device, and you will be able to complete purchases. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix credit card declined in Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.